More than a year after professional guardian Traci Hudson was arrested on charges she exploited an elderly man, her alleged victim's family cannot close out his estate because they say Hudson failed to turn over financial documents. ABC Action News investigator Adam Walzer has been exposing flaws in our state's guardianship program for years. Tonight, he has the latest twists and turns.
On November 14th, 2019, professional guardian Traci Hudson was booked into the Pinellas County Jail, accused of exploiting 93-year-old Maurice Myers, for whom she served as power of attorney. Investigators say Hudson paid herself $1,600 a day for Myers' bank account, spending more than $500,000 of his money on things like jewelry, Tampa Bay Bucks tickets, and a 4,000-square-foot Riverview home.
There was no documentation as to how any of the monies were spent.
Nearly 15 months after Hudson's arrest and more than 2 years after Myers died, his family is suing Hudson, alleging she breached her fiduciary duty.
Final accounting filed was not verified, so it's not signed by Traci, and the statute says we're entitled to that.
She was charged in criminal court related to prior dealings with Mr. Myers, so it certainly wouldn't be appropriate for her to have documentation about Mr. Myers, and she certainly does not.
Hudson's criminal attorney, Richard McKighton, said in an earlier court pleading that Hudson is asserting her Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination. He says the Deeb law firm, which prepared the power of attorney agreement Hudson used to gain control of Myers' assets, has Myers' financial information.
None of us have those records. We invited him to come today, and they declined.
We need something verified. And Mrs. Hudson and Deeb Elderlaw need to figure that all out.
McKighton said that firm previously turned over financial documents and the money remaining in Myers' bank account.
She can't swear to what they did on either occasion. She'd be committing perjury.
Mrs. Hudson can get with her lawyer, who was Deeb Elderlaw at the time.
They're not her lawyer, Judge.
They were her lawyer at the time. She's certainly able to talk to them to confirm what she did or didn't do with Deeb Elderlaw.
But they did it, Judge, not her.
But they represented her at that time.
The judge ordered Hudson and her former attorneys to produce a signed final accounting within 10 days. In the meantime, Myers' family has requested Hudson's $35,000 bond to cover legal fees and is suing Hudson for $1.8 million. Court records show that prosecutors have continued to gather evidence for Hudson's criminal trial, which has been delayed several times. Another hearing in the case is set for next month. I'm My Team investigator Adam Walzer, taking action for you.